Hey guys, we got 3 bottles of fresh pressed sugarcane juice that we just pressed outside, and we are gonna strain it, and we're gonna make some syrup. Gonna keep it on high heat to start off with, and we're constantly gonna be stirring this, making sure that it doesn't burn. So we've been boiling this for about an hour now, and trying to keep it stirred as much as possible. About every 5 minutes or so, I'm going here and giving it a good stir. We've been skimming off any of the sort of stuff that accumulates on the top. So we are really low on the liquid now, and I don't know if it's ready or not. Not sure how to tell. It still feels pretty thick. I guess when it cools down, it will be less thick, but at some point I'm gonna have to stop boiling because there's gonna be literally nothing left. So I think we are at the end. It's getting to the point where it's uncontrollably bubbly. So I think we are gonna turn the stove off, and we're gonna let this cool. It's got a little bit of thickness. It's not super thick, but we probably don't have very much liquid left. We started with like 3 liters, and now we're probably down to about half a liter. So I know we've concentrated it pretty good. So we're gonna let this cool off, and then we're gonna bottle it and see what it looks like. Try to pour this syrup in here without spilling it. So in the end, this is how much we got. We got 1 little bottle and a couple of jars. We finished making our syrup, so we're gonna do a little taste test. Let's check the consistency. Ooh, it's very creamy, like a syrup. Let's give it a taste. It almost tastes like it's got condensed milk in it. It's really, really good. Sugarcane syrup. I'm gonna make some more. All right, see you guys, bye.